You're managing inventory with Katana, but working smarter with Claude MCP. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when Katana stock levels change, Claude generates shortage alerts and restock recommendations. Or, when a high-value order enters Katana, Claude summarizes customer context, fulfillment risk, and next actions. Or even, when a Katana order updates, Claude outlines what changed, what's impacted, and any flags worth attention. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Katana and Claude, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.